Why gypsum plasters? Gypsum plasters are becoming an increasingly popular choice for interior walls and ceilings for a number of reasons. When you think of gypsum plaster, you may think of an old artisanal process, but the truth is that modern gypsum plasters combine traditional knowledge with advanced technologies, bringing a number of advantages that other materials cannot offer. Let's take a look at the reasons why gypsum plasters are so popular today and why they could be the best choice for your home as well. Natural aesthetics and surface quality. Gypsum plasters are known for their smoothness and softness. When applied correctly, it can create a perfectly smooth surface that is ideal for painting or wallpapering. This surface quality is one of the main reasons why many designers and architects choose gypsum plasters. For example, when you enter historic buildings or luxury hotels, you will often find that their walls are covered with plaster of Paris, which adds to their impression of elegance and sophistication. Excellent humidity control. One of the biggest advantages of gypsum plasters is their ability to regulate humidity in the interior. Gypsum is a naturally porous material, which allows it to breathe. This means that it can absorb excess moisture from the room and release it back into the air when needed. This process helps maintain a stable and healthy indoor climate, which is especially important in areas with high humidity or in homes prone to mold. When you imagine a summer day when the humidity changes, gypsum plasters work in the background to keep your home comfortable and dry. Quick application and quick drying. Gypsum plasters are also appreciated for their quick application and drying. Unlike traditional cement plasters, which can take several days to dry, gypsum plasters often dry within a few hours. This allows work to continue on other parts of the project more quickly, which can be crucial in time-consuming construction or renovation projects. Imagine that you are renovating your living room and you want to have everything ready before the holidays. Gypsum plasters will allow you to achieve this goal without unnecessary delays. Environmental and health safety. Another significant advantage of gypsum plasters is their environmental and health safety. Gypsum is a natural material that does not contain any harmful chemicals or toxins. When applied, it does not release any dangerous substances into the air, which makes gypsum plasters an ideal choice for families with children or for people with allergies and breathing problems. When thinking about the health of your home, gypsum plasters are like fresh mountain air, clean and natural. Durability and durability. Gypsum plasters are also very resistant and durable. They have the ability to resist cracks and damage from normal wear and tear. This aspect is especially important in households with children, where the walls are often exposed to various impacts and abrasions. Gypsum plasters are also easy to repair. If damage occurs, it can be easily repaired without having to replace the entire wall. It's like having a favorite old sweater that you can always patch up and wear again without having to buy a new one. Sound isolation. One of the lesser known, but still significant benefits of gypsum plasters is their sound insulation ability. Gypsum has natural sound insulating properties that help dampen noise between rooms or floors. This can be very beneficial in urban apartments or houses with multiple residents, where peace and quiet is often a luxury. Aesthetic flexibility. Gypsum plasters also offer a wide range of aesthetic options. They can be shaped and decorated in different ways, which makes it possible to create a unique and distinctive look for every interior. An experienced craftsman can create different textures and patterns from gypsum plasters, which can be both traditional and modern. It's like having a canvas on which you can paint anything you imagine. Gypsum plasters therefore offer a combination of practical, health-promoting and aesthetic benefits that make them an ideal choice for modern interiors. Whether you're renovating your home, building a new one, or just looking for a way to improve the quality of your indoor environment, gypsum plasters are worth considering. They are not only a material for the walls, but also an investment in the comfort, health and beauty of your home.